I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so the shutdown goes smoothly. Make sure your phone is unlocked online and signed into the Google account you use for Assistant. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to type Google or Assistant to jump straight to the right menu. This avoids hunting through layered menus and gets you to the control center fast. Keep your device handy. We move to the actual disabling steps next. Now you'll turn the feature off. Open Google Settings, then go to Search, Assistant, and Voice and pick the Assistant tab. Scroll to Devices and select the device labeled Phone or your device's name. Toggle off Google Assistant. When a confirmation appears, accept it to remove voice activation and hands-free features. This step stops the assistant from listening for wake words and from responding to long press home gestures. Make sure to wait a second after toggling so system settings commit. Finish by removing voice access and shortcuts. In Assistant settings, open Voice Match and turn off Hey Google so the mic won't wake the assistant. Next, review routines and voice shortcuts and delete any that could trigger Assistant later. Restart your device to ensure changes apply system-wide. If Assistant still responds, clear cache for the Google app or repeat toggles. Most issues resolve after a reboot. If problems persist, temporarily sign out of the Google account as a diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.